Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache and cookies in Mozilla Firefox as of 2025. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. So I'm gonna click on this start menu and type here Firefox and then open the app. And I'm clicking on this Not Now button. Normally click on this three-bar icon and here click on this settings option. And now in the left hand sidebar of the settings page, click on privacy and security. Now scroll down to the cookies and site data section and here you will see a button labeled clear data. Click on it and here a pop-up window will appear titled clear data. Ensure that both cookies and site data and cached files and pages both are selected. And here you will see a drop down menu also for time. If you want to delete for the last hour, select this or you can choose other options. So I'm gonna choose last hour only. So it's gonna delete only cache and cookies for the last hour. So after that, I'm gonna click on this clear button and that's it. You have successfully cleared cache and cookies in Mozilla Firefox. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel because your one subscription motivates me a lot. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.